Hey y'all. So yes, I went ahead and bought the Outre Wigpop synthetic full wig in the style Tommy. The color is it's gonna be in 1B. Okay, I am struggling to take it out the package. I couldn't wait to open this with y'all. Sorry it took me 2 weeks to literally film a YouTube video. I apologize and thank you for my new subscribers and my old ones. Yes. Okay, there go the stock card. You feel me? That color is bomb right there too. I don't know if I would rock that color, but if y'all try that color, let me know down in the comments. The key features of this wig though, great value. It's cheap as fuck, okay? Range, okay? When I say they have a range of trendy colors and styles, baby, it's ready to wear and go. You take that shit right out the package, honey. Ain't no, oh, I gotta trim the lace, all that. No, this is a full cap wig. I'm not going into 2021 with no lace fronts. I can't do it. I'll be struggling. And oh, what else did I want to say about this? Oh, it has heat resistant fiber, high tech, it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But why would you put a flat iron or curling iron to this? It's not needed. Queens. Sis. It's not needed. It don't have no combs in there. It's big head friendly, okay? It do have straps in there. No combs on that. Just adjustable straps. So if you ain't secure with that, you better go ahead and sew a band up in there. Because hunty. But seriously though, if y'all want to switch it up, baby, you see how I just plopped that shit right on top of my fucking head? Big. Look. Bomb. So y'all, I paid $18.59, okay, for that damn full wig. When I say I'm cheap, honey, but y'all probably can find it cheaper, probably on Amazon or the actual Outre website. I'm gonna put a link down below. But other than that, I did get it from my nearest beauty supply store. You feel me? Cause other than that, baby, I'm not fucking playing around. This is about to be my wig for the rest of the week. Okay, now I got some wannabe cornrows underneath. Because y'all still protect your damn hair underneath the wig. Okay, grease your scalp, all that shit. Am I a beautician? Am I a hairstylist? No. So don't come for me in the comments. Please don't. Y'all never do, but please don't. And then I went ahead and did like an eyeshadow tutorial on Facebook. So if y'all want to catch that, I'll leave the link down below also in the description bar. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because this not about to be no long video. Like, look. Oh, and it had a little bit of shedding. You see when I was pulling on it, it started sticking onto my face. I started sweating and shit. Oof. And that's what I was trying to do. Other than that, how the hell do I speed this up? Cause is there anything else to talk about? The only thing I don't like about this this wig is that it got that church wig shine, and that's sort of not cute. But I don't care. Like I said, I paid $18.59. What do you expect? It ain't no human hair. Okay, so y'all, what other videos y'all trying to see over here on this page? I don't know what the hell I was doing right there. Oh, wiping this shit out my face. But honey, if you don't like long hair, but you want a little length still, and you could probably put in a ponytail, a low ponytail, but I ain't doing all that shit. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.